Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best checkout and tax tool for digital product sellers by comparing Paddle and FastSpring. If you're looking for the best checkout and tax tool as a digital seller in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Paddle is a robust payment platform that focuses exclusively on providing an end-to-end payments infrastructure tailored for SaaS, software subscription, and digital goods merchants. It excels at handling global sales, including subscriptions, one-time transactions, and complex tax compliance like VAT. Whether you're a SaaS provider, software platform, or digital product vendor, Paddle offers powerful features and seamless scalability to support your growth. The key features Paddle contains are that it has a built-in sales tax compliance for Europe, US, Canada, and Australia. Its fully customizable localized checkout options across 200+ countries and multiple currencies. It also has an automated VAT collection, filing, and verification capabilities, focused subscription monetization tools like metered billing and instant license generation, one-click instant payouts directly to all major banks globally, streamlined affiliate program and partner, payout management, and also painless transparent platform pricing with sliding fee scale models. FastSpring is a flexible e-commerce platform built specifically to sell digital products and services. It provides robust subscription management and billing tools to support complex recurring revenue models. Whether you offer SaaS, PaaS, downloadable software, or any digital product, FastSpring simplifies global commerce. FastSpring has a volume-tiered pricing starts at 4.9% plus 49 cents per transaction, automated VAT/GST calculations and filing for 90+ countries, localized checkout pages in over 25 languages and 130 currencies, flexible billing options including subscriptions, usage-based pricing, installments, instant global payouts, daily reconciliations, and consolidated reporting. FastSpring also provides comprehensive solutions for taxes, fraud protection, affiliate and partner programs, and more. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.